30th October 2021 Morning Murli Om Shanti Bapdada Madhupan. Sweet children, you know that not all souls will study with the unlimited Father. However, they will all definitely go back with Him. Question: what do the children who are going to become the rulers of the globe value the most? Answer: they value studying the most. Wherever they may be sitting, they definitely study, along with fulfilling their responsibilities to their friends and relatives. They practice studying in remembrance and they give everyone the message: remember the Father, and you will go to the land of peace and the land of happiness. Only they, children who follow those elevated directions fully, will become the rulers of the globe. Om Shanti. As well as taking all the spiritual children, the Father definitely has to take all living beings of the world back home because the dark night is now coming to an end. The old world is ending and the new world is being established. The world still exists, but it changes from old to new. At the beginning of the golden age, there truly was the original eternal deterioration. Those sun and moon dynasties do not exist anymore. The Father explains, having taken rebirth, they have now completed their 84 births. At this time, all actors have become Tamopradhan. They want there to be the kingdom of Ram, the new world, New Delhi. Just as young children say that they want such and such a new toy. So here to you say, Baba, we want new clothes for the new world. At Deepamala, people wear new clothes. There is no question of wearing new clothes on Krishna Jayanti. In order to wear new clothes on Deepamala, people especially go shopping and spend lot of money on them. At Deepamala, they also ignite lamps. Your lights have now been ignited and you have to ignite the lights of others. Theirs is the Deepmala of the path of devotion, whereas yours is the Deepmala of the path of knowledge. You don't have to change your clothes, etc. When your lights have been ignited fully, you will then receive new clothes in the new world. The Father says, I will take everyone back, whether they want to go or not. People call out, Oh, purifier, come, or they say, Oh, liberator, come. Some call out in one language and others call out in another language. I come every cycle and take everyone back. There are very few human beings in the golden age. Now there are so many actors, all of them are living beings. When a soul is present in a body, it is called a living being. It isn't that the body says, I shed one soul and take another one. No, the soul says, I shed one body and take another. However, no one knows that we take 84 births. It isn't that everyone will take 84 births. Everyone has his or her own account. Those who come at the beginning will definitely take a greater number of births. The maximum is 84 births and the minimum is 1 birth. The Father sits here and explains this. He would not teach everyone, but he will definitely take everyone back home. According to the drama plan, I am bound to take everyone back. The world does not know that the old world is to finish. The Father comes and definitely establishes the new world. People do not have the slightest knowledge of the Creator or the beginning, middle, and the end of creation. Yes, they do know about the path of devotion. The customs and systems of the path of devotion are completely different from the customs and systems of the path of knowledge. It is not possible for there to be only devotion from the golden age to the iron age. It is remembered that Knowledge is the day and devotion is the night. People stumble around in the dark night. The Father says people also go and look for me in the pebbles and stones. Some have visions of Hanuman and others have visions of Ganesh. None of them are God. I do not have a body of my own. Maya Ravan has made everyone foolish. The people of Bharat do not know what the kingdom of Ram is. They are aware that the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan existed in this world. They simply say, we want the kingdom of Ram. It is not the Ram of the Raghu clan. People have written many wrong things about him in the scriptures. They are so afraid of death. They continue to ask for blessings to save their lives. Now, so many are going to die. What would you say of them? The Father has been called to take us to the pure world. I will not take the bodies to the land of peace. Souls will go there. There is a dirty old body. The haystack has to be set on fire, and this is why they make incendiary bombs. They say that bombs should not be manufactured anymore. Now they don't have enough understanding to understand that those who have more bombs will definitely be more powerful. So, how would others be able to save themselves if they didn't manufacture more bombs? They would now stop manufacturing more bombs if all the existing ones were thrown into the ocean. However, the clouds draw water from the ocean, and so when it rains, there would be so much damage. The fields would burn up. This is why this method has been created in the drama. Previously, these bombs did not exist. They exist now. This is why there is so much chaos created everywhere. Now you know that all of this is destined. Among you two, many don't have the faith that destruction is destined. If you had this faith, your yoga would be very good. You have to claim the sovereignty of the world with the power of yoga. Everything of yours is incognito, and the one who is teaching you is also incognito. You cannot see with him with those eyes. You have now realized souls. I, a soul, have a part of 84 births recorded in me. I, a soul, am imperishable. This is an extremely deep aspect. It was written in a newspaper that if anyone were to tell what a soul that resides in a body is, he would receive hundreds of thousands of rupees. What is a soul? Where does he come from? How does he play its part? No one knows these things. Some say that it is a bubble. Some say that the element of light is a huge light and that souls will merge into that. They speak of so many sorts of things. You know that a soul is like a point. The part he has to play is recorded in him. This drama is eternally predestined and it is never destroyed. Souls are imperishable and they have to play the same parts again. There cannot be any difference. All of those things will sit in the intellects of those in whom it sat in the previous cycle. Baba says, how would I teach all of these human beings? Yes, children would understand. The Father says, constantly remember me alone and your sins will be absolved. Everyone will receive this message. The Father gives this mantra to everyone. Baba explains to you children have to imbibe divine virtues and renounce defects. Renounce body consciousness. Even then, you don't renounce it. What would those poor souls receive? They are unable to continue to interact with one another with love. You have to become very sweet. The Father is the ocean of love. You too are His children, and so you have to become very lovely. Whether someone gets angry with you, praises you, or defames you, you have to tolerate everything. When someone goes bankrupt, they think that Baba should help him. Oh, but that is the result of your karma and you have to tolerate it. What can the Father do about that? The Father has come to take all souls back home. Only you children know this. Everyone in the world is in extreme darkness. There should definitely be respect for the devotees on the path of devotion. Shankaracharya, etc., are all devotees. They are called pure devotees. There is the cult of devotion. Those who remain pure have so many huge ashrams built and they are given so much respect. There is also a lot of respect for religious books. People take them around the city. There is a lot of respect for devotion. No one even knows about knowledge. When you become deities, you are praised so much. There would not be anyone whose parents don't go to one temple or another. There are definitely some signs of devotion at home. To say, oh God, is also on the path of devotion. You now belong to the unlimited Father. That one is the Father, and this one is Dada. And this is why it is very good to explain the picture of the Trimurti. Even though some may ask, why have you kept Dada here? Oh, but Prajapita Brahma, the father of people, is definitely needed here. He is sitting under the tree in tapasya. However, he continues to change. The main one is always there. You children have to become very sweet here. Your activity has to be very royal. You should speak less. First of all, give the father's introduction. It is useless to babble on a lot. Speak very little. You spoke a lot and shouted so much on the path of devotion. You stumbled around so much. Now it is explained to you very simply. Remember Baba, and with the power of yoga, you can become the masters of the world. As you progress further, you will know who becomes what number wise. You cannot assess the subjects. There would be hundreds of thousands to tens of millions of them. Those who became Brahmins will become part of the sun and moon dynasties. As you progress further, many will begin to have remembrance. When death comes in front of them, they will have this interest. This is the same Mahabharat war. All souls will settle their accounts. This is called the time of settlement. All of these bodies will be destroyed. There have to be natural calamities. This too is fixed in the drama. It is not a new thing. People die because of famine. The father knows that his children are very unhappy. He liberates everyone from sorrow and takes them back. The father says all of them will fight among themselves and you will receive the battle. You will become the masters of the whole world. They had a vision of the moon in Krishna's mouth. The world globe is in your mouth. You became prince and princesses. The whole world is in your fist. It is shown in the mouth and also in the fist. You now have the globe of heaven in your mouths. You know that you became the masters of the world through the power of yoga. You receive health through yoga and wealth through knowledge. You became the rulers of the globe. However, some children don't value the study that much. Although you may change your job, you must definitely study wherever you live. Remain pure and let your food and drink be pure. Fulfill your responsibilities to everyone. This is a world that causes sorrow. The main thing is the use of the sword of lust because people don't renounce it that easily. If you tell them everything, they become traitors. Then there are so many obstacles for the poor innocent woman. Those of the Arya Samaj have recently come into existence. They are one of the last branches. They don't believe in the deities. There are the names of Mahavir, Hanuman, who have shown courage. The Jains have also used the name Mahavir. You now understand its meaning. Your children who conquer Ravan are also Mahavirs. All of this is a matter of the power of yoga. You remember the Father, and your sins are being absolved by your doing that. You will then go into peace and happiness. Give everyone this message. This establishment is very wonderful. No one knows it. Among you two, it is number wise. There shouldn't be any vices in you. The Father is giving knowledge to souls. Souls become vicious. It is souls that do everything. So, you should now follow the Father Srimad fully. If you personally stay in front of the Sadguru and cause defamation, you won't be able to receive a high status. To commit a sin is defamation. If you don't follow the instructions of the teacher, you won't receive a high status. You will fail. If you continue to take the teachings of the teacher, you will pass with honors. Those are limited matters and these are unlimited matters. No one in the world knows who God is. Maya is also Sato, Rajo, and Tamo. Now Maya too is Tamopradhan. Look what they continue to do. Some don't have the intellects to know what they are setting on fire. This is also fixed in the drama. Whatever happens, happens according to the drama. What are the plans of the Yadavas, the Kauravas, and the Pandavas? What are they all doing? It is the Father who shows the highest plan of all to the Pandavas. It is used to be the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan in the new world. The old world is now to be destroyed. You most beloved children are claiming your inheritance from the most beloved Father. No one apart from the Father can say, I will take you back with me. They say that all are forms of God. In that case, how could they say this? Only you children know these things, no one else knows them. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Baptada. The spiritual father says, Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says, Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. First point, recognize that destruction is destined and follow Srimad fully. Make effort to claim the sovereignty of the world with the power of yoga. Ignite the light of everyone with your ignited light and celebrate true Deepavali. Second point, tolerate everything, praise and defamation and become an ocean of love, the same as the Father. Let your activity be very royal. Speak very little. Blessing. May you constantly be an embodiment of power and face Maya with the awareness of this godly clan. Explanation. In order to be successful in any task, first of all, become aware that you an embodiment of power. When you have power, it will be easy to face Maya. As is your awareness, so will be your form. Therefore, always have this powerful awareness. While I am in the spiritual birth, I am on godly service at every second, in every thought, and in every task. This is my godly clan. The seed of this awareness will finish all weaknesses. Slogan. Truth is automatically proved at the right time. It does not need to be proved. Om Shanti